If you're using Beehiiv and want a clean, reliable way to back up your audience or migrate to a new email platform, exporting your subscribers is easier than you might think. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through the exact steps you need to follow so you can download your full subscriber list with confidence. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Beehiiv website. In the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click that on the login screen. Beehiiv gives you a few sign-in options, but the fastest and most secure is sign in with Google. Select that, and once you're verified, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. Now that you're inside your account, look for the Settings tab. This is usually located on the left-hand sidebar or in the top menu. Click it and you'll be brought to a page where you can adjust all your account and publication preferences. Inside the Settings menu, you'll want to find the option labeled Export Data. This is where Beehiiv keeps all the tools for downloading your subscriber information. Click on Export Data and you'll see that you have two choices, a quick export or a full export. The quick version includes the essential subscriber details and is generated almost instantly. The full export contains more complete data fields. Great if you're planning deep analysis or switching platforms. Choose whichever version fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, all that's left is to hit the export button. Beehiiv will start preparing your file, and depending on how large your list is, it may take a moment. When it's ready, you'll get a downloadable file with all your subscriber information neatly organized. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Beehiiv subscribers and secured your data for whatever you need next: backup, analytics, or a full platform migration. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.